Alright, man, you're in the Nordic. Interior's decent. Got your storage, cooler, seating, and then of course you got your little berth up in the front for sleeping. Speakers, lights. Come up here. Very clearly you can see in the seat, but not bad otherwise. 6x9s go on the back. Windshield, no damage, perfect. Helm. It's all original controls and stuff, so you know it's not brand new, but it's in pretty good shape. This seat as well will clean up super nice. She's got one at the seam right there. It's very fixable, and this is very usable. This is the bad one, but it's a removable cushion, so I mean you just get the cushion wrapped and this thing's good to go. Bimini's in good shape. Down the bow, cut and buff. This thing will look brand new. Oh, fuel injected 502 mag MPI. I threw a new battery in it. The original Nordic hatch. Hatch works. Got a little ding in the rub rail. This is a replaceable piece every 6 feet. There's, you know, it's from tying up, it is what it is, but you know, when you look at the big picture, it's very small. This is all shiny and perfect. It's just dusty. So I'm gonna wash it up and detail it. I may even have these guys come cut and buff it. I thought about throwing it in the water and putting a coat of paint on the trailer, but not sure that I'm even going to have to deal with it at this point. No damage, no beaching. Trim works, motor runs. It's mechanically all good. It just needs a killer detail and somebody to use it.